chocolate.
Well, your chocolate was right there anyway. Hey, Sparkles, wake up!
Sparkles!
Okay, I'm awake. What do you
Wait,
guys want?
why are we in the car?
Did you hear your news? We're gonna go somewhere.
Like where?
We might go to Target, and then we're gonna go to a fair, a summer fair.
Wow.
We're just gonna sign up for a summer camp, Kelly. I mean, Evelyn. I forgot your name. What was your name? I don't know what her name was.
It's Olivia.
Oh, right, Olivia. Okay. Well, did you bring your friend German Shepherd?
Oh, yeah.
What was it? What's his name?
His name is Zach.
That's his name?
Zach? Zach.
Oh, okay.
I'm bringing him.
All right, bring him.
Zach, come.
Hello, Zach. Hi, Zach.
Who are these people? They're my friends.
Nice to meet you. My name is Rubik.
Nice,
And my name is Sparkle.
nice to meet you too. I am Zach.
Zach?
Zach.
Okay, so anyway, we're gonna get some food. I know we got the goldfish and the bag of cars. In here, look. Yeah. So there's the bag of cars. And then we got some drinks right here, and we got toy airplanes, and we got markers, and we even got books. So what are we gonna do while we wait?
We could probably maybe get some McDonald's.
Yeah, I guess we could get McDonald's.
Hey, taxi, can you get us some McDonald's?
On the way.
Yay! You put it on the way.
Yeah, I can't wait to go get some food.
Oh,
and,
you're gonna enjoy the voice
and with the cheeseburgers and everything.
Me and Zach are going to share some chicken
And they were
nuggets.
talking about how the four
'Cause
friends
we love
got
chicken
related to
nuggets.
Jesus.
Well, anyways, are you
We're
guys
not dating.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to see our best friend Trevor?
Yeah.
You even know who Trevor is?
No.
He's my best friend, the Wilder. I'm a,
Does he look like you?
no.
Oh.
Even though
Is that mine?
Oh, that here you go, Olivia. That's your camera friend.
You guys are low key.
Here, take it.
It's also mine?
Yeah, it's also yours.
Yeah.
Riding with the kids.
Here was mine. Thanks, taxi driver.
Ah, man, you got some more. Yeah,
Get the bill. Anyways, now that we got a drink. Oh my gosh, help. I'm stuck. Okay, we're gonna be. I just gotta assemble some things. Oh, I'm so full with food.
Yeah. I still need more help finishing my 10-piece chicken nuggets.
You still haven't finished your 10-piece chicken nugget.
It's big for my little stomach.
It's big for your little fat stomach. Okay. Well, anyways.
I think I'm going to go back to sleep.
No, you cannot go back to sleep because now if you go to sleep, we're gonna go past Target and then we're not gonna get no Rubiks juice.
We're just gonna remind him.
Well,
And we'll
anyways,
wake him up.
me and Sparkles went to go check or something, and we got.
See, Sparkle's sleeping.
No, I'm just laying down because I'm full. Well, anyways, Sparkles got a full. Ow! Sparkle got an NFL football, the mini kind, just for us size. And then he got, I got a soccer.
It kind of looks like you. Right?
I guess you could say that.
And guess what I got?
What?
I got rainbow goggles.
Rainbow goggles?
Yeah.
You got rainbow goggles?
Yeah. They're the
Lucky.
best. I got number 1 and I could pick anything on this table.
Wait, so that means you got the rainbow goggles and you got number 1.
Yep.
Well, I wonder where he went. He's probably in the Target right
He's
now.
right here.
Oh, well. Hey, why would you? Fine. Anyways, we're almost there at Target, so we just now.
Yay! Target.
Okay. Anyways, now we just have to wait. Stop!
We fly.
Stop it! Stop! Get down. Okay. Okay. Do not get excited, but
Don't.
But the Rubik's cube is.
Don't.
All right. Anyways, we're almost there at Target. All right, we're here.
Come on, let's go get a card. Come up right here. And y'all can sit down while I push cart.
No, we got the target guy. We're gonna push a cart. The target guy. We're gonna put the cart.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Let's do this.
I fell. Okay.
Come on, you gotta do better.
Okay, let's go.
All right, we're here, guys. We're here. Okay, you got your wallet.
Yep, I got my wallet.
Let's go. Hey, look at all this stuff. We need to get something like this someday.
No, Rubik's Cube.
Fine, I guess we're gonna have to get Rubik's Cube. Okay, we're almost downstairs. We're gonna take the elevator right over there.
Okay, let's go, guys.
All right, let's do this. I'm gonna press the elevator button.
Yay!
Okay.
I love going on elevator.
Now we just wait.
Yep.
Right there are the Rubik's Cubes.
Yep.
Hey, what are you doing?
Rubik's Cube. Yes, sir.
Think we can get the lot?
No. Not.
Oh my god, that's a lot of Rubik's Cubes.
Also do this.
I think this is too much.
And last one. There we go. Perfect.
You know there's still some left. There's some right there, look. Louise, why would you tell her that? Oh my god, that's so much.
It's perfect because I'm 8. Done.
This is too much. You're gonna have to put, you're only gonna need one.
No, I need all of these.
No, you do not. This is too much Rubik's Cube.
Yes, I need all of them.
No, you don't. This is way too much.
No, it's not.
Okay, how much do they cost? $7.99.
See, not that much. It's perfect.
You're gonna go big one. This is too much Rubik's Cube. You don't have to put them back.
Hey, no, what's doing?
You
Stop! No, hey!
Okay, you only pick one. You're only gonna get one Rubik's Cube.
No, I'm getting all of them.
No,
Yes.
only pick one, or else we're not gonna get no Rubik's Cube at all.
What'd you say?
Pick one, or else we're not gonna get any Rubik's Cubes. Oh my god! Come on!
No, I'm keeping all of them.
Oh, pick one.
Fine. Is that what you want?
Yes, just only pick one Rubik's Cube. Put all of them away. You're only allowed to pick one.
Put them away. Your job.
Me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll help you.
And I'm so mad.
Did you pick one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll guard it for you. Stop crying.
But I want more Rubik's Cube.
We're gonna get more next time. No, be in a good attitude. Stop. Stop crying. Stop crying.
But I want more.
Be on your best behavior because we're gonna go see my friend.
Okay, fine.
All right?
Alright.
Okay. Hey, Trevor. Oh, hi. Welcome to my room.
Pow pow.
Sorry for that. Olivia's in a bad mood today.
Yeah. Pow pow.
Hey, stop.
No.
Well, anyways, what happened? She wanted to get a lot of Rubik's Cubes, but we told her no, and she only got one.
No fair.
Hey guys, what are you guys talking about?
Oh, well, we're basically talking about her problem issues.
Then what's your problem?
Oh, you remember?
No, I got a bump on my head.
Okay, wait, so you remember the what happened?
No.
Okay, well, I'm going to tell you what happened.
Yeah.
No,
Well, thanks to Luis, he told me that.
No, I'm gonna punch you.
Okay. Well,
Why
anyways, back to what I was saying is that.
Why you
Stop!
hit me?
Stop!
Why you hit me?
Shut
He's
up,
trying
shut
to
up.
tell me it's a story. Tell
Okay,
me.
so she wanted to give him a lot of Rubik Cube,
Uh-huh.
but Luis told her no. Yeah, and I told her that this is too much. So in conclusion, they only told her to get one.
One Rubik's Cube?
Yeah, only one Rubik Cube.
Which is so unfair.
Oh, now I remember. Yeah, it's pretty fair because you got one thing and he got one thing. It's pretty fair.
Yeah, it's pretty fair. It's pretty
No,
fair.
it's not.
Yes, it is. At least it has rainbows on it.
Exactly. It also takes you a lot of time to
It
finish
doesn't
it.
have purple.
Come on, it doesn't
That's
have
true.
purple.
That's actually true. Well, I'm gonna go get some water.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna go get some Coke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Olivia.
What?
You better behave. If you don't,
I'm
you're gonna
not
get the beat.
behaving until I get my
voice down!
my
Lower
Rubik's
your
Cube.
voice down!
Just lower your voice down because it's too late.
It's a library here.
Exactly. We're in the library. Be quiet. Just be quiet.
No.
Shut up. Shut up.
Subscribe.
Comment down below and like and subscribe.
And share this to your friends to annoy them.